Hello mga kabudol! Mag-unboxing na naman ako ng mga in-order kong gold jewelries. Bale, 5 silang dumating today. Kasi before year-end na gold jewelry hauling na ako. Kasi by this January, tataas na naman ang presyo ng gold. So, nagdadating na yung mga order ko. So, 5 parcel I received today from the shop of Sinag Jewelry. Dalawa siya, and then one from MGM shop and to Sunny's Gold Jewelry PH at saka kay The Carats by Sunshine. So I will do unboxing from the shop of Sinag Gold Jewelry. So always naka-bubble wrap sila. And then they have a note of this one, fragile and do some unboxing videos. So ang dami ko ng red box from the jewelry na nabibili ko, so itinatapon ko na lang siya kasi ang dami-dami na. So ito siya, Medusa ring, size 6. So, yan. From the shop of Sinag Jewelry. Medyo malalaki yung gugustuhan kong ring ngayon ang design. So, this is the second box. Kulay blue naman siya. So, wala siyang freebies unlike the other shop na merong mga freebies ng dragon sticker or cut sticker, and then some mask. Dito siya walang ka-free. So, ito siya. Leaf powering. So, hindi ko pa siya natitimbang. Meron naman siyang stamp ng 18K and AU50. So, pandito siya kaya ako umu-order. Parang maliit ang size 6. Thank you for watching!